like a water or a bridal veil. It's absolutely gorgeous. These next three coves are known as the painted coves. Remember your colors now. Blacks are manganese, reds, reddish browns are iron, whites are limonite, blues and blue-greens are copper. And as you can see, this first cove is predominantly all iron steel. And this is the last rock formation on our cruise today. It's called Chapel Rock. Notice that lone pine tree up on top of Chapel Rock. She gets all her nourishment from the cliff to the left over there.